Hello, good afternoon. This is Miss Bittinger for biology and or for physical science, and I wanted to make a video showing parents and students how to find my Teams meeting links because there seems to be some confusion. So when students log into Canvas, they'll go from their BTCS ClassLink account and go to Canvas, and from their dashboard, they'll click on either biology or physical science, depending on the class. I just have biology open. And what students need to get into the habit of, which I have expressed, especially last week daily, I've expressed this, is that at their homepage, there is a current module button for both the home pages of biology and physical science. So every day, they need to click on current module, and it will take them to that current week. So we are in week 2 this week, which is January 11th through 15th. And so for today, if your student had biology or they have physical science, they would have clicked on the daily agenda for January 11th. Within the daily agendas, there are individual Teams meeting links for that class period. So for biology, I have 2 biology courses, and so there's a link for first period, and there's a link for fourth period. And then what we're doing that day is also in the page. And so for tomorrow, all students would log into Canvas, go to that either physical science or biology, and then they would find the daily page and then click on that link for the Teams meeting. I created my Teams meeting links in Canvas pages this way because I wanted students going to Canvas. So I figured to have everything in one place rather than students having to go to multiple locations to find what they needed for the day. So I hope this helps. And if you still have questions about Canvas or about Teams or about anything else, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.